Welcome to
Cooking with Kids.
My name's Kalia.
And my name's Andrew.
Today we're scratching in my account called KeepDeco123. And in this project I remixed called Minecraft Ultra Hero. It's supposed to be Jetpack Hero. Now let's see. Oh, there's arrows and there's a Steve with an Ultra on. Okay, so let's see what I changed. There was an intro. The person I remixed from, the user, had his own intro. So I just deleted like every other costume except this one and changed the username into KeepDeco123 because that's my username. And then I changed UI stuff. I didn't change the play button. I changed the title. It's supposed to be like Jetpack Hero. I changed it into Minecraft Ultra Hero because they're Minecraft Steve wearing an Ultra. And it's a hero. And I changed the background to this Minecraft background where I uploaded, but these buttons I didn't upload. I just got it from the usual project, which is supposed to have like you use the up arrow and use the down arrow, but you don't use the left and right arrow. And there is the player. It's supposed to be a Jetpack Hero. There is a Steve with an Ultra on. And there's like a blast of flying. That means you're flying. But if the player die, it doesn't have the blast of line, so you will know the difference. And there's the standing and ultra. These two you won't see. And the Steve I got from Andrew's project, and the ultra too. So there is the background. There's a blank background and the background I chose. And there is the rocket, which is the arrows. There's the warning sign I didn't change, but it's supposed to be the rockets. We're supposed to be rockets. I changed it into an arrow. I got these arrows from another person project. And it has like this little red line. And now I didn't change the explosion or the score, but I did change the thumbnail. I changed the Minecraft Ultra. I added the Steve and the rockets. Now let's see the stage. I changed few codes in the stage while I add them. There's two backgrounds, but there's supposed to be only this blue background. I added the Minecraft background I wanted. So the code I added was when I receive start, switch backdrop to background. When green flag clicked, switch backdrop to start. So these two are like the backdrops, and it will like change whenever you receive this message and when green flag is clicked. Now let's play. I go first. Oh no, what's coming my way? The arrows fall. The warning fall where if you go up, the warnings go up. If you go down, the warnings go down. But the arrows don't. When the arrows come, they go straight.
I'm staying here. Oh no! Oh no! 10.
11.
My turn.
Arrows. I'm bad at dodging arrows in Minecraft. Think that my Minecraft Steve knows how to fly very fast. 21. Now you can't catch me. Can't catch me. No.
Oh!
7.
Last time with me.
The power of dodging arrows. Do you see the one like going up and down? Because the hinge is going up and down. 12, 13.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.